Hands are the hardest part of the body to draw. There are more bending points in your two hands than the entire body. Also, hands are definitely one of the most beautiful and important parts of the human body. They represent all of our work and creativity, as well as much of our interpersonal expression. For these reasons, taking the time to focus on the art of drawing hands is worth every moment of time invested. Hands are important, and we shouldn't put it off another day. Let's get started now on this intensive workshop, where we will cover the best proportional practices, the bones of the hand, the creases in the skin, the fingernails, and all of the extra details we find along the way. We will cover standard hand drawing and all types of hand poses and gestures, both masculine and feminine. For those craving a more intense challenge, the final lessons in this class will cover color theory, another often neglected study, and we will proceed to paint the best possible hand that we can conceivably create with the time allowed. Let's get started now.